Children of God, my first experience of an exchange gift happened in December 1998 when I was in grade 1. Of the more than 30 pupils in our classroom, only 3 of us brought gifts for the exchange. When it was time to pick our manito or manita, pupil 1 got the name of pupil 2, and pupil 2 got the name of pupil 1. Naturally, I was pupil number 3, the one left out, holding my gift only for myself. The teacher did not seem to notice. When the time came to open the gifts, pupil 1 received a bunch of stick bread. Pupil 2 also received a bunch of stick bread. When it was my turn, I opened mine with excitement because my mother had lovingly wrapped it. To my surprise and delight, I too received a bunch of stick bread. Somehow, despite the mix-up, we all ended up sharing the same kind of gift. And looking back, that simple experience reminds me that sometimes God has a way of making sure everyone receives what they need. No one is left out of His blessings. If we remember the story of Zechariah, filled with the Holy Spirit, he sings a hymn of praise after the birth of his son, John. He proclaims, "The dawn from on high shall break upon us, to give light to those who sit in darkness and the shadow of death." Zechariah recognizes that through Jesus, God is bringing salvation to His people. Just as the rising sun drives away the night, the coming of Christ scatters the darkness of sin and fills the world with light and hope. The long wait is over. The dawn of God's mercy has arrived. The image of dawn is powerful. It tells us that no night lasts forever. Many times, we experience our own kind of darkness, fear, loneliness, guilt, or suffering. But the promise of God is certain. Light will come. Jesus is that light. His coming is God's gift to every person who longs for peace and forgiveness. No one is left out of His love, just as no one was left without a gift that day in my classroom. This passage invites us to open our hearts to the new light that Christmas brings. Salvation is not just about being saved from sin, but about being restored to joy, hope, and purpose. When we allow the light of Christ to enter our hearts, we too become bearers of light to others. Just as dawn spreads gently across the sky, God's mercy spreads through every act of love and forgiveness we show. Children of God, the dawn of salvation has fully come, and its light continues to shine through each one of us. Let's live as children of the light, sharing God's mercy with joy and gratitude. May we never forget that in God's great exchange of love, there is always enough for everyone. This is Father Felmar, SVD, your Good News caster from Radio Veritas Asia, the voice of Asian Christianity. Merry Christmas.
Thank you for watching and listening. Stay inspired every day with our daily reflections. Be part of our growing online community of faith and inspiration. Don't miss a single reflection. Follow us on our social media platforms